Hi friends, this is Cori from Cori Style, and today I have a new video for you. Please just remember I use this channel to practice my English. So today's video is doll related. I'm gonna do another unboxing. In the future I will be working with new projects for you and I will be showing you of course the process. They are kind of a secret yet, but as I work with them I will be showing you on my channel. You know I always like to share everything in here. So today we will unbox this Rainbow Junior High, I'm sorry about my pronunciation, doll. Her name is Amaya Raine or Raine, I'm sorry, I don't know the proper pronunciation. She's from the series 2 and she's focused on fashion design. She is smaller than our usual dolls. Let me show you. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller than the normal size, but that's supposed to be because they are in junior high. This is the same character as the big doll I showed you on a previous video. I will leave the links in the description below in case you want to see her. Let me show you quickly the box. You can see her drawing. In the back of the box you can see another characters of the same series. We'll have the top, bottom and side. I will open this, I will pull out of all of the contents and I will come back to you. Okay, I am back with the contents. It came with this small thank you for purchasing our project thingy. She comes with her comb. You can see in here the logo, it says rainbow. So her comb and the doll. This one do not come with any stand or any extra accessories or extra outfits. It's just the doll and the comb, okay? So she has the backpack, which is super cute and pretty. You can open it. As you can see, it's filled with some paper to make it look fluffy, and it has some velcro at the top and some clear plastic in here just to keep the shape. I will leave it like this for a bit. It's attached to her hand by a rubber band. I will keep it like this just because it looks cute for display. You can see the rainbow plastic logo. It's super detailed. So this backpack is very pretty. Okay, she has these two clips on her hair, rainbow sparkle. She has some product, you can see clearly on this part of the hair. She has a ponytail, white hair with some rainbow strips in here. You can see the back. It's a little bit sparkly, so pretty. And the hair, it comes with some product on this side. You can see it's a little bit crunchy, but it's okay. I will just wash it out and she will have normal hair with no product. She comes with this pretty makeup, clear eyes, which I love, crystal eyes I mean. She has bluish purplish eyes, some eye makeup at the top, kind of rainbow inspired, and red lips. She looks super cute, super pretty. Her outfit is this jacket. She just has this top. It has rainbow. Oh, look at this. It comes with tiny tags to keep them from separating. Look at this tiny tag. So cute. It's mini. So she comes with this, I will call it jacket, I'm sorry, hoodie. That's the word I was looking for in my brain. I don't speak fashion, I am fashion. So as I was telling you, it is just the hoodie. You attach it in the back with the velcro. She has a tiny hoodie, but of course this does not fit her head. It's just for the looks. She comes with this pretty skirt, okay, which you attach from the back, I think. Yeah, in the back. And she has these super cute and long boots. It says rainbow on the boots. It has like an embroidery, some rainbow here, and they fit perfectly on her legs. You can see it fits just perfectly. The bottom is plastic and the top is like fabric like. And as we know, these dolls are articulated. We can move the hands, the leg, the feet. They do not move the torso, but it's okay. And she has purple tiny nails. The hair, the head, we can move it. Oh, look at this. She has some movement on her neck articulation, so we can move it left to right and side to side and bottom and down. And now I'm curious about the big Amaya. I will check the big Amaya. If she does move the head, I will post it on my Instagram. If you want to see its Cory style, I will link it in the description below, but if it does, I will post it because I'm curious now. This is very nice, super nice. And well, my friends, as I was telling you, this doll includes less things, but I mean, it's very cute and very well done. Even if it do not come with an extra outfit, for the price I feel it's worth it because the quality is very good. I didn't see any flaws on my doll. The bag, the boots, and her outfits are super well detailed, well done. I didn't see any like weird thingy. So yeah, I just wanted to share this another unboxing with you, my friends. I hope you're having a nice day. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed, please, because that will help me to feel more motivated to keep doing videos for my YouTube channel. Okay, my friends, I hope you're having a lovely day and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!